Hello again. Right, here's an experiment we can try. It's all to do with the transfer of energy, and we'll be talking about what energy is and how it moves later on. But this will demonstrate it for us. Let's see if we can do it. So you need a few of these items. What is all this stuff? So we need some sort of cup. Okay, I'm going to use this. And I've got a variety of rods, for the sake of a better word, made of different things. I've got a wooden spoon thing. I've got a steel knife. I know it's steel because it clips to the magnet, so that's steel. I've got a glass rod. I don't know if you can find a glass rod, but if you can, use it. We'll have a glass rod. Now this is aluminium, so you might find an aluminium spoon. You can tell it's not magnetic, so that's aluminium, so I'll put that in there. Now this is an old pen, but it's plastic, and that's what I'm interested in, so I'll put that in. And this is a copper rod. So what you see what I've got here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different materials, 6 totally different materials. So if I was to write a list, I'd have wood, steel, plastic, aluminium, copper and glass. See what you can find. You might find a wooden spoon, a plastic spoon, that sort of thing. So you've got 5 or 6 different materials in a cup. Why do you want to do this? We want to see which one of them is better at transferring energy. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to use the knife to help me do it. I've got some butter here, and I'm going to put a blob of butter at the same height on each one. Like that. Put it on the spoon, on the wooden thing there. And I'm going to stick a pea. It doesn't have to be a pea, it can be anything you like. It could be a bit of sweet corn, or it could be a little sweet or anything, but I'm going to stick, using my butter, stick a pea at the same height, roughly, that's not a bit low, isn't it, there, on every item, including the knife. So let's put that in. Let's get him on, there. Okay, so spread them out. Okay, they're roughly the same height, like that. And I want to see which transfers the energy via conduction quickest. So we're going to be using hot water in this experiment and in the other ones that we'll do. Now when I say hot water, I just mean nice hot water, not boiling water. So if you boil your kettle, let it cool down for a minute. We don't want red hot water, we don't want boiling water, and we don't want to be scalding ourselves. So get the water, it's just brought to the boil, and then it's dropped in temperature a little bit, and then we're going to get a stopwatch out and time each of these to see which ones melt the butter first. So I've got my boiling water, I'd start my stopwatch, I'd pour the water in up to the top and then wait, and when one of them melts I'll make a note to say which one's melted first, and I'll have times for each one of these. So if we've got the stuff, let's give it a go. If you haven't, we'll get the results off someone else and we'll write up our experiment as we have been doing so far.